Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This will be my last normal size video on my phone. And I'm so excited about this. So excited. And I just went and made a purchase for the DJ Osmo Pocket 4. Their newest one. I just went and spent a lot of money. But it's going to be worth it because I'm not giving up on this anymore. I've been consistent now for almost 2 months, I think. Or a little over a month or whatever the case may be with working with brands. And sorry, that was Maggie. She was stretching. So I'm just so excited to do an unboxing of this and start using it because I am going to film myself today working. So I went bright and early. I was actually at Best Buy a half hour before it opened because I was just too excited to go buy this. So I got the creator kit because I wanted all the bells and whistles. I didn't want to buy just the camera and then have to fork out all the extra pieces that I would want down the road. And I wanted to make sure that this had a mic as well. So let's see what all comes in this. So it comes in the little carry-in kit like this. And I will open all this eventually too. So it comes with the 2 puffy things for the mic. What comes next in the bag? So you have the magnets. I will open it in a minute. I'm not used to doing an unboxing like this. Okay, just let me take it all out and get the main piece. And then I will put it together and then show you. And then I will do videos testing it out and giving my opinion and saying how I find it's working. And there's a lot of little pieces and little bags. Okay, finally have the bag empty. So let's start putting this together, and opening up all the bags. So first bag I opened is the stand for it, which this is going to save me so much because the stand that my phone's on right now is the tripod I've been using, which I will still use. But the legs are so long and it doesn't go low enough for sometimes the shots and the angles I want. So that is really good. Let me open the body. Sorry, my tech reviews are not very amusing, but I'm trying. So with this one, this is it here. I'm so excited. So excited. And then it comes with the gimbal clip. So this don't move. So it doesn't have the same as the Pocket 3 with the almost like a full case. Oh. And you get your cords and a wrist strap, which I'm not gonna open at the moment because I'm probably not going to use that part, but you never know. This here is the light that attaches to the top. The Pocket 4 is the only one that has this attachment. I hear a vehicle, but I don't think it's here because I'd be hearing the dog bark. So this is an attachment that goes under, which I'll show you when it's connected, so that way I'm able to screw it into a tripod. So the one that you're on right now, I can screw off the phone attachment and attach it to if I want it to. And this is the wide angle lens, which was another reason why I wanted to buy the kit. Let me wait to take that out. So scared I don't want to break or ruin anything. I don't know if this is charged or not, but here's that lovely peel that everybody likes. And then there is another one. So, and you, oh, there's another one right here. Oh, another peel. I'm sorry, I find them videos so funny. And I think I'm gonna leave this attached quite a bit. And another good thing I watched is always make sure that the sides are clamped together, because you don't want it to fall off. So that's well attached. There is no wiggle to that whatsoever. And this is, it allows you to hold it in your hand better. So that's one thing that I do like, because I got fat fingers. So this is gonna work wonders. And the light goes right on the back like that. So I'm only telling you the things that I know from watching other videos, because as I've never turned it on yet. And here is the mic. So everybody uses the DJI mics, and the quality is so on point. So much better than the cheaper ones I have. And oh, there's another peel. Meow. And now I need the magnet. So there is a magnet and a clip that comes in this package. There's so many little pieces. I'm gonna have to use this bag because, honey, I will not keep them all in one spot. Yeah. And these magnets are small. They small. So I'm not gonna put the microphone on me yet till I get everything connected that I want. Get me turned on. Wow, that's bright. I don't know if it's trying to... Are you trying to look for my face? This is freaking neat. I'm like a kid in a candy store when it comes to new tech things. So English. Swipe to skip 5 times remaining. What? Okay, I will be right back with you guys in 2 seconds because I actually have to download the app on my phone.
For a lot of people that might be
so guys, I'm trying to learn how to use
storage capabilities by putting in a memory card. My favorite
the camera now. I'm actually watching a video, so it's hard for me to try to explain it on here and show it while I'm trying to learn. But the picture quality is amazing. Where is it showing? I just have to figure out how to do like the face finding part and whatnot. But I will be back. This is me doing a test again because the first one was a little bit too filtered. Hello guys, hello Facebook. This is a random video of me just practicing and testing and wanting to see if this really, why doesn't it do the face find? So in this style format, it don't do the face find, but that's okay. This is a freaking awesome camera. So I'm so excited to film more for my YouTube channel and here, of course. So guys, I am back. I finally have the camera fully charged and on my tripod that one of my friends got me for Christmas. I love this tripod. I use it for all the time. But I finally got it connected. So the picture quality is really good. I do have this part attached in order to screw it in there. But I'm not sure exactly what to go over or what. Then my next video is going to be all like that. All good quality. So I'm so excited. I wish it wasn't raining out. I don't think it's raining at the moment. I may go for a walk in a little bit. We shall see. But stay tuned for the next video, regardless of what I do. If I film myself working or going out for a walk, you'll see some great content on this camera because it's nice. I'm charging the mic right now, and then the camera, what is that charged at? It's at 89% because I was playing around with it since it was charged. So, but look at this. It's hard to tell like that, but it's so clear. Like, the image is so nice. It actually looks a little bit like reddish and glary because I'm using my phone. But it is so clear. So clear. So hopefully you like this little video. Sorry if it's everywhere, but I didn't know what to do when I was setting it up. So I had to scan the QR code. That's why I had stopped before. But it's all set up, and stay tuned for some nice, clear, crisp audio and video quality content soon. Here I am, just me being weird, doing a test and see how good this works and how much the quality is a lot better than my phone.